welcome to Kayleigh's Crafts. Today we are going to be learning how to make our own Play-Doh. So to do this you're going to need a few things. You are going to need some salt, you are going to need some water, some cooking oil, some plain flour and some food colouring. So the first thing we're going to do is take our flour and pour that into our bowl. And next we're going to take our salt and we're going to take our cooking oil and our water and take your spoon and start stirring that all in. So when it starts to look a bit more doughy and less sticky, you can start mixing it with your hands. If your mixture is too sticky and it's sticking everywhere, add a little bit more flour. If your mixture is a little bit too doughy, just add a little bit more water until you get this really nice Play-Doh consistency. So what I'm going to do now is separate my Play-Doh and colour a few different types. I'm just going to create a little tiny bowl shape in each one so that when I add the food colouring it doesn't go everywhere. So next we'll take our food colouring and add a few drops into each one. If you find that food colouring is a little bit too messy, another option is using washable paint and then mixing that in with your Play-Doh to create your colours. If you are finding that your Play-Doh is a little bit too sticky still, add a tiny little bit of salt over the top and fold it in, and that will help really lock in that moisture. And there you go, homemade Play-Doh. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make homemade Play-Doh. If you did, follow along at home and make any yourself. Please do share it with us on social media using the hashtag Kayleigh's Crafts and tagging Creative Eye and Norden Farm. Stay crafty and we'll see you next time.